What is up, guys? Welcome back to my third video on Money Cut. So today's video is going to be kind of short because I'm kind of in a rush, but I'm having a party day at my house and all that stuff. But I just got my package from SaruGeneral, and I'm going to be honest, I'm kind of disappointed. So I was going to do the video like more properly, open unboxing and everything, but I kind of rushed just because I wanted to see what was inside. So it came in this little box. So I'm gonna put everything on the screen somewhere around here. So I paid about, let me see, just so I can give you guys accurate numbers. Because I'm honestly, I'm kind of disappointed for how it happened, because I was really looking forward to. Because I mean, if you guys watch Harris and Neville, I think Eric Petro does some videos with them. So I paid. It was like $104. So I paid like $140, I think, for the package. Okay, and I got the Supreme pack. I'll put everything on the screen. So it came in this little box, and then I already took out the item that's in here. But so I got like a Supreme sticker, and then I got a bunch of little. Let me take all of them out because I want to show you all of them. So I got a bunch of. Is there more? Like little stickers that I can. So I got a bunch of like, whoa, I'm nervous. If I look over here a lot, it's because my camera's over there. I mean, my camera's up here, but my screen's over here. Just to make sure you guys can see everything. So I got that. I got this one. This one's pretty cool. I just got a bunch of like vape stickers. And that. So I got a bunch of stickers, and then so I opened up the package and I see this, which is a pretty hyped item. It's pretty cool. I got the Air Supreme Blimp, whatever you want to call it. So I tried blowing it up, and then I find out it has a hole. Let me see. Can I show you guys? It has a hole right there, and it was taped up. I took the tape out because I was gonna tape it back up to see maybe I can get like maybe better tape on it or whatever. And it just, the air comes out, and I already emailed SaruGeneral. I'll put it up here. I messaged them on Instagram because I paid $140 for something that has a hole in it. I don't think that's fair at all. I don't know if I can fix it, but watch this, guys. I'm kind of butthurt. As you close it, the air comes out, and I'll put it next to the mic. The air just comes out. So I checked the price on. So I got the chance box, which is you can either get above what you paid for or below what you paid for, or you can get like the for sure one, which is like you're getting exactly what you paid for. So I paid $140 something, like I said. It's going for $150 plus tax and shipping on StockX. But it's not even about that, because I kind of wanted to keep it for a personal, because it's like a really cool piece that you don't just see anywhere. But to see it that it has a hole in it, and I can't even like blow it up or everything. I was thinking of hanging it like right here. But I don't know. That's my first experience with SaruGeneral. I'll keep you guys updated, and hopefully I can get a refund on it, or maybe store credit. We'll see how long it takes for them to reply back to me. So hopefully that goes good. But yeah, I'm kind of bummed out because it's a pretty cool piece. I don't know. It just sucks it has a hole in it. Kind of bums out. So here's the bag as well. So I guess they had it for like $90. So that's a steal. I don't know if you can see it. Is it $90 or 90 euros, whatever? I don't know what else. Yeah, so I'm kind of butthurt. It has a hole on it. Hopefully, I don't know. Hopefully they reply to me, but this is pretty cool. I'm going to try and fix it. If I can fix it, I'll just keep it. Because, I got it for $140. Kind of a lot still, but F it, you know. But, I don't know. Hopefully they reply. I don't know what to say because I'm just, like, in shock. I'm kind of butthurt, like I said, over and over again. Just sad. But, anyways, that's going to wrap it up. I'll keep you guys updated, so if anything happens for my next video, I'll maybe say something. I'll let you guys know. And hopefully I can get maybe I don't know. I can stake story credit. I'll just buy another mystery box, whatever, for you guys. But this is my first experience with SaruGeneral. Wasn't the best, but hopefully something good happens out of this. So catch you guys in the next video, and maybe I'll do a room tour about everything that I'm doing, because I just remodeled my room and it looks pretty cool, guys. It looks pretty cool. So hey guys, I'll see you guys in the next video.
Yeah, my name is Logic. If you don't know by now, I'm always on my grind. And at this moment in time, I'm on the road when I write this rhyme, sitting behind Raheem Devine while he's passed out. About to hit the station for our gas is out. Look outside the window, I see shorties with their asses out. Oh my good guys, you know we fly. They dreaming out the window, watch how buildings pass me by. See, I ain't signed, but at this point in time,